Crowe is a clean, creative, unique template for agency and personal portfolio PSD template. There are included 10 stunning home pages and total 15 PSD files. This design is very creative and unique, and also very easy to customize and use. If you like this template, please rate it. List of pages. 1_PSD02_home_0_2.psd02_PSD11_house.psd11_contact_us.psd. Features. Designed with Bootstrap Grid, easy to find and customize. A Google Map Themify icon, handcrafted clean design for home versions 15 clean page pixel perfect real site experience documentation free support free updates. Font used Poppins Work plus Sans Permanent plus Marker. Icon used Themify. Icon used Platicon. Image used Unsplash Pixabay. Note: all images are just used for preview purpose only and are not included in the PSD files.